Halika na. Bihis na tayo.
Punta ako guys sa swimming. Punta ako sa lection sa swimming pool. Sin natin kanina.
Swim ka.
Opo, kasi
Kikita na kayo ni Coach.
I'm excited.
You're excited? Sabi mo na, oh. Sabi mo.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. Really, you're excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Susunod sa Coach, ha?
Yeah. Pwede ako swimming.
Opo, tuturuan ka ni Coach proper way of swimming. How to swim properly. Okay? Sa lesson niya, swimming niya.
Wala ka na isama.
Okay.
Bibilisan mo, nandun yung pagkain mo sa lamesa. Okay, ako, sasama ka.
Saan
Oh, come here. Sa
Saan
pasita.
Ay, ayoko.
Halika.
Session na lang.
Bakit?
Alis nga pala ako, di ba?
Saan?
Mamaya.
Yeah,
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Just wear slippers. Bye, guys. Sabi mo.
Bye.
See you later.
Kenchana, ning 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 ning. Kenchana, ning 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 ning. Kenchana, ning 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 ning. Kenchana, ning 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 ning. Ate.
Galing ah! Don't open!
Don't play. Look at Coach. Paano yung sayaw? Sasayaw pa yan eh. Wow. Okay. Almost there. Good boy. Sige na po. Siguro ang 5 lessons sa ito.
Ayan, dalawa na lang.
Follow water, hirap. So hard, higher. Lakasan yung pulin na arso to 8 feet. Okay. Ready. All the way there. This all the water. Two. Bubbles ah.
Ate, tignan mo. Ate, tignan mo. Tignan mo.
No, move your arms. Stop moving. Forward. One, two, three, four. Somebody will. Yeah. Sige, rest muna tayo. You want your energy drink? Okay, water again.